This is what my hair looked like before I washed it. Guys.
Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to Curls by Sharlene. So, I'm filming this today and I'm hoping that this product, you know, Xtreme Gel, hasn't done what Eco Styler has done to us. If you know, you know. If you haven't watched my video on I'm done with Eco Styler, here you go. Just for you, you need to have a look at this video. They changed the ingredients. Oh, guys. I'm gonna try the Extreme today and it's on. It's on. Yeah. Let's see. It's brand new. I've just opened it. It still smells the same. Still looks the same. It's not completely full, if you can see, but yeah, it's all right. It's all right. I'm not gonna look at that. It's not full, is it? Anyway, let's hope that this bad boy does the job. I'm doing this so you don't have to try this and buy it yourself and realize, oh no, this doesn't work on my hair anymore. Eco Styler, so disappointing. But Extreme, come on. This is what my hair looks like straight out the shower. I've washed my hair. It's all nice and clean. No products whatsoever. Yes. I'll give you a list of what I used for my wash day. There you go. For you.
I start off sectioning my hair into 3. I do 2 parts in the front and 1 at the back. The claim right in the front of the bottle says real 24-hour of extreme control pro expert. The ultimate question, is Extreme Gel good for 4C hair? The claim is that it's a great product for defining your natural curl pattern, especially for 4C hair. I have a 4A, 3C hair and I like strong hold, but I must say I don't like the crunch as much anymore. But I do, obviously, because then it lasts longer. But really, I'm swaying more to lighter hold products. Actually, more like a medium hold product. Look at this. Feels the same. Yay! I mean, look at the difference, guys. I've used the blue one and the clear one before, and they were extra strong hold. So this one, we shall see. I mean, it's a clear one, but I'm hoping they haven't changed the ingredients as well. What does Extreme Gel do to your hair? Their claim is Extreme Transparent Hair Gel is formulated to leave no trace of residue behind after you style your hair. It's meant to contain a UV protection to keep your hair and scalp safe. The aloe vera in the formula helps to keep the hair healthy while still styling. There's no alcohol, so your hair is irresistibly smooth. It does feel very smooth, I must say. Very, very smooth on application. The tub says this gel is for everyone. Okay. 10 times extreme control fixation level squared. Okay. So this is meant to be the shizness. Definitely no residue. Look at this. You can see when I apply this product, I don't even see white. It's clear. I'm just seeing the color of my hair. There are no flakes either, and ideally this gel should dry without leaving behind a sticky residue or causing flaking. This looks like the case, but I don't know how this will react when I use another product with it. So I'll do that in another video for you and let you know. But if you know already, leave a comment. I want to know, does this mix well with other products? As usual, I like to tell you whether there are instructions on the tub, and there are. Thank you, Wetline Xtreme Gel. It says styling gel for hair. Apply in your hands, rub palms to evenly distribute, then apply as needed to either wet or dry hair and comb as desired. I re-wet my hair even though my hair is freshly washed.
But if I applied this, I mean, I'm sure it would do something. But I always re-wet my hair. I feel the product absorbs better when my hair is wet. Definition is better. So that's what I'm going for.
Now on to the ingredients. I'm going to list them for you so you can see what it says. But there's no alcohol. It says alcohol free, no residues with aloe vera. If you are someone like me with natural curls, you need to make sure you check the ingredients to ensure that the gel is formed with the stuff you want in it. You don't want sulfates, silicones, especially for your hair type and preferences. I'm looking for hydrating ingredients like glycerine or aloe vera if you have dry hair, and then avoid ingredients that may cause irritation and buildup. This has aloe vera and glycerine. Ta-da! Is your hair dry? You might be lacking hydration, and this is a great product to use. The next point to look out for is the hold strength. What kind of product or gel do you want for your hairstyle? This gel is known for its strong hold. Consider how much of a strong hold you need for your hairstyle. Like a wash and go, like what I'm doing, strong hold is great, but so hard when you can't do anything about it and it's flat as, that's not what I'm looking for. However, if you have type 4C, that is probably what you're looking for the last 7 days. Although, if it's so hard that I've got to break the cast every day, you need to use this with another product. Because I remember this hold being extremely strong. Then it will at least make it not as hard a crunch, which will last you for days. However, it says it will last you all day. I guess that's for a slick back. You know those completely slicked back buns? It will last you all day. However, I'm doing a wash and go and I want it to last me 7 days. So actually, I'm going to show you how long this product actually holds my hair for from day 1 to day 7. With frizz, without frizz, how good it is, whether you should get it. How I am applying this product is I'm raking the product through my hair, and then I use a brush to evenly distribute the product through my hair, and then I rake it again. Because what I want is to actually retain some length. I find when I use a brush to style, my shrinkage is like double. When I use my hands, it looks slightly longer. My hair looks so long right now, but when it's dry, oh, it's crazy. The length just shrinks and then it's half of what it actually is now. And I still get definition. I love this style. Raking used to be my go-to all the time. But when I bought this brush, I was like, wow, these curls look so good. And then shake, 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 obviously. And you're done styling. You don't need to do anything else. Type 4 hair girls, we know we need a stronghold gel. If that gel is not stronghold, it's just not going to last very long. So I'm going to show you the results for 7 days. Okay, let's see what day 1 looks like. Oh, well, those curls are as hard as can be. There's a cast. This is a good sign that these curls are going to hold for 7 days. Guys, this is 90% dry as a crunch. So hopefully this means they haven't changed their ingredients. Yes, extreme. I'm loving this. It's not completely dry, but we're almost there. Once it's dry, then I'll fluff it out and see how it looks. But this is almost there. Day 2. When your hair still looks like day 1 on day 2, I'm done. It means this is gonna last me all week, guys. I've done nothing. I've just put it in a bonnet and yeah, look at day 2. I'm gonna fluff it out for you to just show you what it can look like. But day 2, it still looks like day 1. When I talks about extreme hold, like, yeah, this is extreme. Now, when the cast is so hard on day 2, a tip I would give you is when you're diffusing, really get the diffuser on your curls. That can help break the cast. I didn't do this because I was worried that this wasn't a stronghold gel. When the product is so good, what you want to do is get some frizz at the roots to make the volume. You know, like when a product is doing its job, wow, it's laid down edges. Check that. Look at this.
laid down the scalp to a T. I mean, yeah, this is day 2. I've just fluffed out a bit, so to give me some volume, because yeah, it was down. We needed volume to lift this, elevate the hairstyle, right?
Now, when the gel works too well, you're like, what am I supposed to do? An honest review is I like gels where I don't have to do too much. This is just doing so much for me. I couldn't get it to the point where I was happy with how it looked. I like big hair, and my hair was so flat. I missed day 3. But we're on to day 4, and it looks exactly like day 2. You really need to think, okay, I want an extreme gel, but do I want it this extreme? This gel has a thick, clear consistency that spreads easily through my hair, which is perfect. My hair feels so good. The shrinkage is on another level. The crunch is so hard. It's great, but I need to use another product to soften this. Because the minute I put it back in a bonnet to sleep, the next morning, it shrunk right up, like back to day 1 again. I used a pick and I was fluffing for a while before I was happy with the result. As you can tell, it's starting to get shape and my roots aren't as flat. I mean, I don't want frizz, but I want some frizz. Do you know what I mean? I don't know how else to put it. And then day 6, I thought was the best day because it still had definition and finally there was volume. I'll give it a 10 out of 10 because the hold is just crazy. When you look at day 7, it's like a day 3 on a normal medium style gel. Jokes aside, they called it extreme because it literally is extreme. If you want a hard gel that will last 7 days, this is it. Type 4C hair, yep, no frizz, you will get this. Type 4, all of type 4, you're sorted. Type 3, it might be too hard. So frizz control, yes. Scent, brilliant, I love the smell. Does it leave a residue and white flakes? No, it doesn't. So yeah, their claim is correct. The hold was extreme. Texture and consistency, yeah. It gives you what it tells you it's doing. It really does it. The ingredients are good, yeah. My hair did feel moisturized, although without a leave-in or a cream with this, it's just too hard for my hair. So would I buy it? Yes. Would I use it with something else? Yes. Thanks so much for watching Curls by Sharlene. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? I'll see you next time, and don't forget to leave a comment and let me know what you think about this gel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.